Dior Raffia pouch is back in the US and in the UK. And this is available in Canada and also in the US with also the hairpins. I love them. I use them all the time. And I know a lot of you is asking about this pouch, and I'm happy to report that this is back in the US. Alright, we have a total of 17 promos and promo codes in the US, UK, and in Canada. So let's get started right away with the promo codes in Canada. I have a total of 4 promo codes for you, all with a minimum purchase of 150 Canadian dollars. And the very first one is Dior Bright 25. So this was available last week and is still available right now. So you will get this pouch and it's a good size. However, I honestly love it open versus closed, because when it's closed, it just loses all that beautiful shape. It doesn't look quite similar to how they display it in this photo, but yeah, there you have it. So minimum purchase 150 and the promo code is Dior Bright 25. Next, we have these hair clips right here. Passport 25. Again, minimum purchase 150 Canadian dollars. So you'll see it has that oblique design right there. Super cute. I got them when they first came out because I thought I could use them a lot. For some of you, you might think that it is not worth it because you only get 2 small clips. But for me, I use them a lot, when I wear my makeup and when I make my videos here. So for me, it's worth it. So it's up to you guys. But yes, it's available in Canada and also available in the US. And you will find out the promo code for the US later. And also, still in Canada, promo code FRESH25. You will receive this round, based on the videos I've seen, it's like a neoprene kind of material, and it's quite big. It's a good size pouch, and it's very formed. Unlike this one, it loses its shape. This one, it stays round and like puffy or I'll say like inflated all the time. So with your minimum purchase of $150, promo code is FRESH25. And still available for your minimum purchase of $150, promo code is Sauvage24. Now, take note, it's Sauvage24, not 25, and you will receive this pouch. And it comes with a towel. So perfect. It's already summer. I'm actually thinking of adding a strap for this one and use it as a I'm losing the words in my okay, I wanted to use it as a pouch for my water bottle, and I'll also keep the towel here, so when we are hiking I have something to carry my water and also something to wipe my face. And by the way, inside here it's fully lined, and it feels like this is a good water repellent or waterproof kind of pouch. Okay, so those are the available promo codes we have here in Canada. And now for the UK, we have the Rafia pouch back. So minimum purchase $200. I know that's a lot. I've been wondering why UK promotion has very high minimum requirements, minimum spend requirement right now. I think it's super bad. So for your minimum purchase of £200, you get the Rafia pouch and 1 LCP Deluxe sample. Now, the good thing about the UK is you can stack up. So currently, the promotion for the stationery is still up. For any La Collection Privé purchase, you will get this stationery set. Looks like it's a memo pad with 3 pencils. And so if you get La Collection Privé and still have a total of $200, you'll get all the gifts, which is the stationery, the pouch, Rafia pouch, and the small or the deluxe LCP. So that's what we got right now in the UK. I'm sorry if this is quite disappointing, but yes, that's what we have. And for the US, I want to give you an update for this promo code LCP cart 25, because when you use this promo code, it shows the bucket pouch. Just want to remind you again, I know I already posted this in my community channel, and you will actually receive a white pouch, not the bucket pouch. So if you are really looking forward to receive the bucket pouch, I suggest you pass on this promo code because there's uncertainty whether you'll receive it or you'll get the other white pouch instead. But it's a great minimum purchase price point, $130. And speaking of sharing photos, I am very thankful for those of you that has been posting in our community page. Please keep them coming. I love to see them. And if you feel like a little shy about posting there, you could still send me an email, and also you can go to my Instagram and share all those photos, pics that you want me to feature in this channel. Everything helps because, you know, if we see the actual photo, actual video of these items, these help our Dior beauty lover friends with their purchase. Like, you know, they could find what's worth it, what's not, and if it's something that they are really expecting to get, then they could see beforehand before they make that purchase. So everything helps, so keep them coming. Alrighty, let's continue with our promo codes. So still in the 130 minimum purchase mark, we have this LCP Summer 25. So one of you just shared the actual photo for this one. It's actually a little disappointing that because it looked like it would be almost the same material as this, like, you know, in the photo it's a little glossy and it looks like it might be leather, but it's actually a dark blue or navy blue cotton drawstring pouch. So it's, I think for the size, it's kind of similar with the ones you get when you order LCP products. So for some of you, this might not be worth it. But again, it's one of the gifts we purchase with a lower minimum purchase requirement. By the way, if you are new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I help you maximize your Dior beauty shopping experience. So if you love Dior beauty, make sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss any of those great Dior deals. Alrighty, let's go back to our promo codes. And just to show this again to you for those who miss it, because I think this was the star of the June promo codes. Dior Luxe, you'll get the notebook, and I'm really thinking of getting this one for my next purchase. Hopefully it stay for a while. Usually this promo code Dior Luxe does not expire. They just update the gift with purchase. So I really hope it stays up to July at least, when I need to purchase something again. So there you have it. It's one of the best deal at the moment. And just continuing with all other promo codes with 130 minimum purchase. So we still have the Sauvage mini set, and the promo code is Sauvage exclusive 25, and again minimum purchase 130. And also we have still, I think, one of the best value promo code Beauty Lover, minimum purchase 130, and you'll get a J'adore set, which includes a fragrance and hand lotion plus a black makeup pouch. And if you are in silver, gold, and platinum status, remember that you still get 2 more items at checkout. So this, for your minimum purchase of $130, you'll get 5-piece gift set in total. So I think it's not a bad idea at all to use that promo code. And of course, very happy to report that this is back for your minimum purchase of $130, and the promo code is my cart. And I know a lot of you are looking forward to getting one of these, so there you have it. It's available. Usually my cart, again, is a promo code that stays forever. They just update the gift that comes with it. So I think this this pouch as a gift with purchase will stay for quite a bit, and so there might not be any hurry for you to put your purchase to buy this, especially if you don't have anything to buy right now. So I would say you could wait a little bit. And like I've said, I keep reminding you all, please do not make a purchase if you're just doing it for the gifts, because all these gifts with purchases will keep rotating and you will always have the chance to get them later when you actually need to buy something. But if you see something that's super worth it, like, you know, the stackable deals, then it's the best time to purchase your, you know, your favorite items that you know you will always use, and maybe presents that you know you will buy anyway in the future. Then that's the best time to do those kind of purchase. Oh, that's the best time to spend your money and get the gifts with purchase. Now, moving on. So this is what I say when you know, these gifts are rotating. So the next promo code will have this and also this. So, you know, when this first came out, it just came with the sticker, and also this, when it came out, I think the first time it came out, it's just by itself, and it's with a higher minimum purchase requirement. So for this one, minimum purchase 175, you get this and this, promo code beach time 48. And just a reminder, this is a Masterclass promo code, which means it only lasts for a week. So by Thursday next week, it might not be available anymore. So if you like this combination, this is the perfect time. It's a better deal than when I got this, because when I got this, it's just the clip by itself for, I think, minimum purchase of $150. So this is a much better deal, and you can re-gift the pouch if you just like the clips. Okie dokie. Next one, again, still Masterclass promo code. The Prestige piano set is back, and this comes with, let me just zoom that. I think there's 7-piece gift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 7-piece gift. And just for those who don't know, one of you commented that the box is really just a box, nothing special. It's not a pouch, or it's not like a hard case. So it's really just a cardboard box. So if you are purchasing this and thinking it comes with a hard case, unfortunately, I believe it's not a hard case. But if you are a fan of Dior Prestige, then this is a perfect set for you for when you are traveling. Honestly, for me, I try not to get any Prestige items because I am so afraid that I fall in love with it and it might not be sustainable for me. So at least for now, my budget is for Capture skincare line. I don't have the budget for Prestige yet, so maybe in the future, I don't know. So there you have it. And just last but definitely not the least, just want to remind you that this promo code Dior Tips 25, it's still available for a minimum purchase of $175, and you'll get the phone set with, or phone accessory set, which include a phone charm and also the octobody, which is very helpful when, you know, you are traveling. Find any shiny surface and you could use this to take, you know, your self photo or your family picture when you're going out and about. So there you have it. Those are the promo codes available for the last week of June. OMG, wait, I forgot to mention that there is a new promo code for your minimum purchase of $200, and you will get the Rafia pouch. And the promo code for that is 4Dior. That's 4TH, number 4, THDIOR. And you will get the Dior Raffia pouch. Is it worth it? I think the minimum purchase required is very high for just one pouch, but if this is something you really like and you know you would get a lot of views, then of course it will be worth it. So there you have it. Those are all the promo codes in the US right now. I hope you had a wonderful start of your summer. Can you believe this? It's already summer. We're already halfway this year. It's just amazing how time flew by. I am very, very thankful for you for watching my videos. I appreciate you all, and if you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing because I would love to have you here. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.